Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we want to find x. Alright, so now since we're having two variables, we have x and we have y, so it means that we want to make x the subject of the formula or the subject of the relation. Okay, so this is what we do. We have log x base 3 minus, now another way to write 2 is 2 log 3 base 3. Okay, because log 3 base 3 will give us 1, and 2 times 1 will give us 1, since we are dealing with base 3. So another way to write 2 is 2 log 3 base 3. So we have 2 log 3 base 3 equals to, then we write 3 log y base 3. All right, from here, we can take this 2 to this side. Then the 2 becomes the power of this log, that power of 3. So we have log x base 3 becomes log 3 raised to power 2 base 3. All right, so these 2 has been moved from here to here. And the same thing we are going to do here. We're going to move this 3, this coefficient of log, to become the power of what? Of y. So we have log y raised to power 3, then base 3. Right, so, and then what does this give? 3 raised to power 3 is what? Is 9. So we have log 9 base 3 equals to, we have log y raised to power 3 base 3. Now from here, we're going to apply one of the laws of logarithm, the laws that says if we have log a minus log b, it gives log a divided by b. All right, so that's what we are doing here. And then this becomes log x divided by what? By 9 equals to log y raised to power 3 base 3. Okay, from here, we can cancel out the log base 3. The log into base 3 can cancel log into base 3 here. Then what do we have? We have 9x over 9 equals to y raised to power 3. Now, how do we find x, or how do we make x the subject of the formula? Is to cross multiply. We can make this 1 over 1, then we cross multiply. We have x times 1 give us x, and we have 9 times y raised to power 3, which gives us 9y raised to power 3. So it means x is equals to 9y raised to power 3. This is our final answer. Let us try this. Let's answer this. We have 3 plus 2 log x base 5 equals to log y base 5. All right, so what do we do here is to find x, or we make x the subject of the relation. All right, so let's do this and drop our answer in the comment section. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share and comment, and if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe. Thank you.